sure to clean out the track. Mark 2 holes in the back, 1 in the middle, 2 in the front. You know, a hole punch just poke through them and leave the adhesive on. Then you're gonna cut in between that groove. There's a piece of metal in there. Then we're gonna take a drill bit and drill out the holes and then put the spacers in there. Bang, bang. If you don't have a Dremel or whatever, this actually works better. Just cram a fucking wire cutter down in there and snip it. All right, little blobs of silicone on the holes. Not the cleanest job I've ever done, but it's not bad. It's not bad. All right, there you go. Fasten those all down later. Drive and had some bad hum, so make sure this is low, the fairing. And also I had the cross rails in the truck, so I put in some washers. Did the trick. It's awesome.